How to download Blender on PC or laptop. Hey everybody, welcome to our channel. In this video, we're going to learn on how we can download Blender app on either our PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. If you want to download Blender for either your PC or your Mac, it's fairly simple for us to do so. Now, depending upon whether you're using Windows or macOS, now Blender is, by the way, a completely free application. It is a 3D animation application which you can choose for rendering or graphical purposes. So if you're using Mac, go to your browser and type in Blender for Mac. If you're using Windows, type in Blender for Windows. You'll find the first link from blender.org or blender.org. From there, you can see this option called Download Blender. Now, because the installation process is different on both your Mac OS as well as also your Windows, because on Windows you have to double click the exe file, on Mac OS you have to double click the DMG file, and after it's basically done downloading, you can see the download has started. Then you can double click to copy it into the applications folder. But to give you an idea, this is how you can download Blender on your PC, like on Mac or Windows. Hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.